Very cool morning, dear kids. Yes, today, which day is today? Thursday, and we are going to learn EVS subject. Yes. So, today we are going to learn one interesting subject, that is all about my classroom. Yes, this topic is very interesting, where you learn, write and do many more activities. Yes, along with your class teacher. Yes, that's me. Okay, dear kids. So let's start, beta. Okay. Today we are going to learn many more things whichever we kept in our classroom. Okay, that is my classroom. So let's go. Yes, look at here, dear kids. What is this? This is chair. Okay. This is table, where you sit and write. Yes, this is table. Okay. Yes, dear kids, what is this? This is your class board. Okay, board, whiteboard. Okay. Yes, what is this? This is duster. Duster. Okay, duster, which we use to erase whatever we had written on the board. We can erase through this duster. Okay, dear kids. Yes, dear kids, what is this, beta? This is chart. Okay, where you can learn many things by seeing the pictures. Okay. Yes, dear kids, what is this? Dear kids, this is mat. Okay, where you used to sit and play or have your lunch. Okay, during your lunch time, where you sit. This is beta cupboard, where we kept many books to learn. Okay, these are your wonderful balls to play, and these are toys. Okay. Yes, what is this, beta? This is crayons. Yes. And what is this? Chalk. Chalk we can write, we can use it in blackboard. Okay, we had seen whiteboard which we use pen, beta, only pen, but chalk we use to write in our blackboard. Okay. Yes, who am I? I am your teacher. Okay. I think you had enjoyed by seeing all the things in your classroom, dear. Yes. Now we will read all those spelling, beta. What is this? Blackboard. Okay. I will show you. Blackboard. Two types of board are there. This is blackboard and this is whiteboard. Yes, dear. Then chalk. Chalk which you see now. Yes, chalk. Okay. Then duster. This is a duster to erase the board. Okay. Then teacher. Me. I am your teacher. Yes. Then crayons, which we have seen now. Crayons. Okay. I will show the picture of crayons also. Yes. Yes, dear kids, crayons. Yes. Then chair which you have seen now. Okay. Now table. What is this, beta? Table. Then cupboard, which we kept many books. inside the cupboard. Okay. Then mat, chair beta, chair. Then this is, next is table, table, table. Then cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. Then mat, 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 mat. Okay, mat, mat. Then toys, toys. Then books. Here are your books. Yes, here are your books. Okay. Then computer, chart. Here computer. Yes. Computer. Chart. Okay. Now we will read all the spellings beta. BLACK blackboard, CHALK chalk, DUSTER duster, TEACHER teacher, CRAYONS crayons, CHAIR chair, TABLE table, CUPBOARD cupboard, MAT mat, TOYS toys, BOOKS books, COMPUTER computer, CHART chart. So you have to write in your EVS 4-line notebook as well as we will do in our textbook also. So take out page number 4848 dear kids. Yes. Yes dear kids. Today okay dear kids, now take out page number 4848 beta, 4848. Okay. Today we will complete this page. This is about my classroom. We had now learned the topic. This is my classroom. Complete the name of each things. Okay. Here picture are given here beta, and some spellings also given, but it is incomplete. So we will complete it now. Okay. At the very first, here B had written here BL. You have to write A. Okay. C is already written K, then BOA, R, then D. Okay. Like this way you have to complete the spelling. Blackboard. Okay. Now tell me, who is this beta? Who is she? She is a teacher. So TEAC already written here, HER. You have to write R. Teacher. Now we will read also. TEACHER teacher. What is this? Chalk. CHALK chalk. And this is beta duster. DUSTER duster. Okay. Now what is this? Tell me. This is a chart. CHART chart. Okay. Now this is, you all know, this is a computer. COMPUT already written here. ER computer. Then cupboard. CUPBOARD cupboard. Okay. Cupboard. Now beta, What is this? What is this? Yes, these are crayons. Okay. Crayons. Okay. Crayons. 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 Now, what is this? Come on, tell me. This is a chair. 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 Then these are books. BOOK. You have to write here K. Yes. Now we will read. BOOK. Yes, books. CRAYONS. Crayons. CHAIR. Chair. After completing the spelling, you have to read also. Okay. Now what is this? This is a table. TAB already written here. LNE. Table. 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 Now what is these, beta? These are toys. 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 Now we will read TOYS. Toys. Then what is this? This is a mat. These are toys and this is a mat. Okay. MAT. Mat. By this way you have to complete this page, beta, by completing the spellings. Okay. 4848. Now take out page number 4949, dear. 4949. Yes. What you have to do is look at the pictures. Tick the things which you see in your classroom. Okay. You have to tick only those things which you have seen in your classroom. Okay. So some things are given here, beta. So now tell me which you see in the classroom. Yes, book. We will see in the classroom. So put tick here. Swing is not in your classroom. So don't put cross. Only look at the picture. Tick the things which you see in your classroom. Only put tick, beta. Yes. For book. Yes, we will see in our classroom. So we will put tick here. Then table. Yes. Tick. Clock. Tick. Chair. Tick. Okay. Only these things we see in our classroom. So only put tick. Okay. Those things you see in your classroom. Yes, dear kids. Now take out, beta, page number 4949. Okay. We had completed 4848. Now take out 4949. What you have to do is just see here. Look at the pictures. Tick the things which you see in your classroom. Okay. Now which things we had seen in the classroom? Book. Yes. Put tick here. Then table also will put tick. Yes. Then chair we will put tick. Okay. Whatever you had seen in your classroom, so you have to put tick. Which classroom? Here. According to the book, clock is not given here, beta. So that's why we didn't put the tick. Okay. Now read aloud and write these names. What is this? Come on, read me. Read it. CHALK. Chalk. BOOKS. Books. Now TABLE. Table. Okay. Like the same way you have to write here and here given space. Okay, so you have to complete this beta, okay, by reading and writing. Okay, so by this way you have to complete page number 4949. Okay dear. Yes, now take out 5050 beta. 5050. What you have to do is color the given picture. You have to color this bus very beautifully. Okay, and send it to me. Okay, bye bye till then. Bye bye, take care.